Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all of my finished jewelry for the last couple weeks, I would say. And you have to stay tuned till the end because this choker necklace I made is just really cool. I just kind of freeform made it, I didn't really have any, ideas in mind when I started it, which to me makes the best kind of jewelry because you start on something and then you're like, oh, I like this better. So I started out with these earrings. I thought these are really cool. They have the Rastafarian colors. And then these beads are from Dollar Bead Box. And these were from, I think, this month's or last month's Bargain Bead Box. So I made these little earrings. I thought these are really cute. Then I have... these are dyed quartz. And then these are from Bargain Bead Box, I think from last month. So yeah, I just made some cute little earrings, give away as gifts, or I'm going to put some up on my Etsy store for the holidays. So I got those. Then I did these. I'm trying to think, these are, I can't find, hold on 1 second. Oh. They're agate, okay. Yeah, so these are agate, and then they have the 2 bead caps and just some little things, and then I added these little circles to them. I thought they're really cute. These make great little stocking stuffers, for gifts and stuff. So, then I used these with the carnelian. So these are all, let me see. And then these were from Bargain Bead Box. I forgot what those were again. Where is my thing here? Can't remember what those were. I think they were carnelian. The other ones were carnelian too. I'm trying to think. Of course, yeah. Hand carved carnelian. 15-inch strand faceted. Yeah, I'm not seeing. Oh no, those are garnet. They're dyed garnet beads. That's what they are. Okay, yeah, garnet's usually more deep red. These are kind of a brownish orange. But yeah, so I made these. I thought these were really cute. Then I took, this was some of that antique brass chain from Jesse James Beads from a couple months ago, and I had it. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. So I just took 2 amazonite gemstones, and then I dangled this chain from it. I thought this was kind of cool. It didn't have a lot, but it was just enough to, Sorry, you had to take a drink there. So yeah. So I did all these, and then this necklace, I started it, let me move everything. I started it as one thing and ended up doing it as another. And this is probably the coolest necklace I've ever made. And it's not really, like intricate or, I used some of the adornable elements. They're 2-hole spacer beads. I will probably put this up on that video too for them. And then I used the seed beads in between. But what it is, when you wear it, I'll have pictures up of it. So when you wear it, this is the front. So this kind of comes up on the side of the neck. Really cool. And then I used 2 jump rings, and I put just some 6/0 seed beads on there just to give it some color. But I just love the way this turned out. I tried it on and I was like, oh, I might actually keep this for myself. It's like I make all this jewelry and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna keep this for myself. And then I'm like, no, I'll put it up because somebody will enjoy wearing it. So yeah, I really like the way this turned out. I have a couple more ideas for necklaces I'm going to be working on too. So stay tuned with that. I loved these colors in here. I had those really, really bright AB purplish, bluish beads, and this was just very random, and these little copper sunflower beads, and nothing is like, this is totally random. Nothing is the same on the necklace, so it's just, to me, those are my favorite necklaces. I'm not a matchy-matchy person. So yeah, so this is everything that I made, and I was really happy the way this turned out. I'm gonna have a little more time now to be spending in my bead room. It's just been so crazy here with everything, and we had the hurricane, and we're working on that. We had our roof repaired, and that was so noisy. I had like a headache after both days just from all the pounding, so there was no way I could be doing videos during those times. So here I have all this. So I hope you like everything I made here. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this, and especially this necklace. I think this is just off the charts. It's simple, but it's really unique. So I hope you like everything I made, and stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will leave the links to my Facebook, my Etsy, my Instagram, and my Pinterest accounts below. So if you would like to follow me, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you soon on my next video. You guys have a great day.